Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director, programmer and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. So in this video we have a look at the symmetrical circle. Let's jump right in. So let's select the fixtures, bring them to full position and select maybe a tilt of, in this case, -50. Now create another step. And now create another tilt value like this. So we have created a phaser. Let's adjust the speed a little bit, maybe to 20 or something like this. And here comes the trick. Now go to the phaser menu and click this circle button. Now the fixtures are moving in a circle, but we want it to be a symmetrical circle. So it's an easy one too. Just go to the matrix overlay. And make sure you are in X coordinate, X wings to 2, transform mirror, and now we have the symmetrical circle. If you want, you can play around with the phaser from and to values, so maybe from 0 through 360, then we have something like this. Thanks for watching. This is how to create a symmetrical circle. See you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.